In this video, we will show the best baby walkers available to buy. At number 10 – Classic Baby Walker. At number 9 – Good Luck Baby Lunaa Round Baby Walker. At number 8 – Amitasha Musical Walker. At number 7 – Joyride Musical Baby Walker. At number 6 – Panda Musical Baby Walker. At number 5 – NewAge Baby Walker. At number 4 – Sunbaby Hot Racer Musical Walker. At number 3 – Panda Creation Adjustable Musical Walker. At number 2 – Amardeep & Co. Baby Walker. At number 1 – Mee Mee Baby Walker. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.